Alrighty, I'm going to talk to you about the Safe Haven 5 in 5 minutes, so let's get right to it. I've already told you about how our microfiber works and all of that, so if you haven't, check out my previous video. If you don't know where it is, let me know, I'll tag you. Okay, so first we're going to talk about our Enviro cloth. This is our most popular cloth with Norwex, and our window cloth. This is a dynamic duo. You can clean 80% of your home with just our microfiber and these cloths and water. Amazing. Okay, so, all right, I had to go run and get the butter really quick. I'm going to show you how to get nasty butter, a lot of it, off of your windows or surfaces and how well we mechanically clean this up. All right, that did it really good, actually. Okay, so it's all in this cloth. We mechanically picked it up. It's not leaving a film like our window sprays does. You follow it up with our window cloth, and it is shiny and beautiful and just like new. You wash the cloths, and they're good to go. And you could actually just run your Enviro cloth under hot water, agitate it, bring it out, hang it to dry, self-sanitizes as it is drying. Okay, next I'm going to show you our cleaning paste. This is elbow grease in a jar. You use it anywhere that you have just like that extra tough mess. So like sticky messes on the counter or your stove top or your sink or your bathroom tile, whatever, the stuck on messes, that's what you want to use it for. Okay, I'm going to show you how I can remove Sharpie off of my white china cabinet. Okay, can you see it? Okay, you get your damp Enviro cloth, that's what I shorten it for that. This is a sample size, so you would get a bigger size, but this is gonna last you a really long time because a little goes a long way. All right, it's done, it's gone. Thank you. You do want to test it on an inconspicuous spot because it is slightly abrasive and you don't want to use it on like your granite or your stainless steel. So test it out. It is made of marble flour, natural soap, and traces of coconut oil. Very simple. It's amazing. Okay, next up on our list of the Safe Haven 5. This Safe Haven 5 is the most popular package to buy from Norwex because it just covers all your bases. This is the dusting mitt. How you want to use it is get the static charge going and you put it on your hand. It's very plushy and it's going to pick up all the dust off your surfaces. You get your knickknacks, get your frames, get the hard to reach places. You could, change it up. You don't need those dusting sprays. You don't need those disposable dusters because when you use those sprays, they always leave a film. Chemicals leave a film, and the dust and the stuff just comes back and sticks right back to it. And then you have to dust even more often. So this is like a true clean. You could also use it wet. Use it on your window screens. Use it on, anywhere. It has the backlock technology as well. And it is also machine washable, and it also removes 99% of bacteria off of your surfaces. So, high quality. I love it. Okay, next up on our list is the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. Okay, this is awesome, you guys. It is a very concentrated laundry detergent. So it's kind of hard to get used to this because it's so concentrated and you're used to seeing those like big giant cheapo ones from like Walmart or Costco. This is high quality. It's gonna get your stuff washed and it's going to save you money. Okay, first off, it's also going to be safe. Biodegradable surfactants, no phosphates, no sulfates, no chlorine or bleach, no fillers, no optical brighteners, no animal testing, no dyes or fragrances. So traditional detergent has a lot of yucky stuff in it that is not good for us, namely fragrances, dyes. There's really no need for that. We have been brainwashed to think that we need those things to be clean, but really scent. I mean, clean has no scent and it has no color either. And all that just fills it so that it feels like you're doing something. And, you know, we're used to getting kind of like a big kind of like cup, dumping it in there. This comes with a very small scoop. And you don't even need that much. You need a teaspoon for a regular size load to clean this up, to clean your laundry. You can use it on your microfiber. You can use it on any of your laundry. It's gonna last you a long time. Average, people use this for like 6 months. So again, it's highly concentrated. Try to remove yourself from the traditional laundry detergent. This is where it's at. It's gonna be safe for you and your whole family. Your clothes touch your body all the time, your towels, your everything. Very important. All right, that's the Safe Haven 5. I made it in 6 minutes. Sorry about that. I was trying to go for 5, but it's awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below what you thought, and look out for my other videos. Okay, bye.